Hello, the Chef George from the Events by George Catering Company. Today let's cook chicken skewers, very easy and delicious. Ingredients for the chicken skewers. We have chicken, peppers, 3 colors of peppers, onion, salt, pepper, and the skewers for the preparation. Very simple. First step, always, first step is salt and pepper for any kind of meat, chicken, seafood, any kind. Salt and pepper, always. We put salt and pepper too in the onions and pepper because we need that everything have the same flavor. And we start with the skewers. We put chicken, onion, red, chicken, onion, yellow, chicken, pepper, orange, and we finish with chicken. And we have ready the first. Like this. It's beautiful. Let's make the last one. Chicken, onion, red, chicken, onion, yellow, chicken, onion, orange, and chicken. Very easy. You will see how beautiful look. We have already 3. You can cook these skewers in the grill, in the fried pan, whatever. I fry in the fried pan. I put olive oil. We start fry with low fire because we need that cooking properly inside it. Low fire. We turn around for everywhere. We need to cook properly the chicken. Like this. This is the final presentation for the chicken skewers. I hope that you enjoy. It's very easy, very simple, and have the excellent flavor. Like, share, your comments always very important for us. We made any kind of event with any kind of food. Thank you so much.